Hi my dear friends, welcome to pragna tutorials. In this video we are going to see trick number 3. How to multiply the numbers which are near the base 10, 100, 1000, etc. So now if you want to multiply 9 into 8, 9 into 8. So 9 is near the base 10, near the base 10. So 10 minus 9, it is nothing but 1. So it is below 9, that's why I am writing minus 1. So 10 minus 8, that is nothing but 2. So it is below 10, that's why I am writing minus 2. In the first step, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. So here you keep one blank. Why? Because 10 is the base, 10 has 1 0, that's why only one blank. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. So that is 72. 72 is the answer. If you want to multiply 99 with 89, first write its complement. How to write its complement mean? All from 9, last from 10. So last digit has to be subtracted from 10. 10 minus 9 is nothing but 1. 9 minus 9 is nothing but 0. So it is below 100. 99 is below 100. That's why I am putting a negative sign. Next, similarly, write the complement of 89. So last from 10. 10 minus 9 is nothing but 1. And 9 minus 8 is nothing but again 1. So put negative sign. Why? Because 89 is also below 100. After that, we will start our calculation. So 89 minus 1, that will give you 88. We can do like this also. Anyway we will do. 99 minus 11 is also 88 only. So this is the first part of the answer. In the second part, put two blanks here. Why? Because 100 contains two zeros. So 1 into 11. 1 into 11 is nothing but 11. So the answer is 8811. Line 993 with 997. First write its complement. Okay. First write its complement. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. 9 minus 9 is nothing but 0. 9 minus 9 is nothing but 0 again. All from 9, last from 10. So 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. 9 minus 9 is nothing but 0. 9 minus 9 is nothing but 0. So put a negative sign. Why? Because these are all below the base. Next step, subtraction. 993 minus 3. That will give you 990. Put two blanks. Why? Because these are all near to the base 1000. Next, 7 3s are 21. Fill that. Two blanks. Keep one more 0. So this is the answer for the given question. So this is the way we can multiply the numbers which are near the base 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc.